Hello and welcome to the Wellbeing Garden. We've jumped forward to February 2022 and we've just had a couple of really bad storms blow through, but the garden itself has done okay. We haven't really had anything. The benches got blown over, the little green bin up there got blown around a bit, but other than that there's no real detectable damage going on here. The spring is on its way, and as you can see we have here our little crocus patch is taking place nicely. Our crocus patch is coming on quite nicely. We've got several coming up now. There seem to be more each day, and they're sort of bursting through the ground and they're coming. Oh, there's another one here, just down in there, just in the grass. We've got some other ones there which have been up for a couple of days. I think they're looking lovely. I'm really looking forward to how that develops. But there's a lesson here in rash words. I was talking to some of the grounds and gardens guys who said, well, elsewhere on the campus they'd had a bit of wind damage, which had taken down a few bushes and a little wall and stuff. And would I like some of the wood that was coming to come from this? And I thought, yeah, because we can use wood, we can use it for in our mobile pizza oven to fire that up. We can also put stuff in the dead hedge, or just have stuff laying around as little log piles for creepy crawlies to live in. So they delivered me some wood, and the pile is rather bigger than I'd expected. So that's me busy for the afternoon at least. Well, that's been an epic few hours work. We've cleared that pile and I've raked up the mess. Philip over here has been building a log pile, which is equally epic. It's going to be home for some very happy little critters in the next few months, I'm sure. And some other bits and pieces from our pile have gone onto the dead hedges over here, which I think are looking taller and refreshed with extra stuff on top. And again, their habitat too. Lots of lovely, exciting critters. So it's been a lovely afternoon.